The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Don, Albert, Eddie, Dennis, Deepak. Guys, good morning. Today is Monday. It is October 17th. Hope you guys all had a good weekend. Thank you, Scott, Sally, Hubba. Good morning. Hope your teams won on Saturday and Sunday. If you folks are here on trial, we do have 2 or 3, maybe 4 trials this week. Good morning and welcome to the room. Kieran, good morning. Very good morning, guys. Very good morning. Good morning, Claudia. All right, fellas. Coming into the session, NASDAQ's up 167. ES is up 46. YM is up 310. EMD up 30. Russell up 23. Gold up 15 bucks. Silver, of course, is up. Crude down 23 cents. Natural gas off 40 cents with a big gap down yesterday. Or last evening. So we'll see what we get. On the equity side, we are red pretty much across the board. Moderna and Merck are down. Moderna, Merck, and Johnson & Johnson down slightly. Other than that, everything else is red. Green across the board. If you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome. Hopefully our trials are in. Couple of things. One, today is Monday, which means it is order flow day. If you guys are in order flow class today, the link has been sent. If you, for some reason, do not have that link, you need to email me. Of course, last week's video was sent out last week on Tuesday, the day we did class. Today is order flow day. Let me take this off. And we will get after it for class number 7 at 11:45. We are currently, obviously, in longs. I'm hoping for a pullback. Good morning, Patrick. Dijon, good morning. What I'll do is what I do every day. I'll read the disclaimer first. We'll look at some charts. And then for the benefit of the trial members, I will explain what it is you're going to see in the room and where the bots are currently. So let me get the disclaimer out of the way here, fellas. I love when I have to find it. There it is. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. For the benefit of those of you that are here on trial, let me address 2 sections. 1, this presentation is for educational purposes only, blah, blah, blah. This is a required statement from the NinjaTrader ecosystem. I am not part of the NinjaTrader ecosystem. I read it anyways, but I am not part of the NinjaTrader ecosystem. 2, this section here, hypothetical or simulated trades. 2 weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago now, I went from trading an individual account on the bots to individual simulated accounts. The reason I'm doing that is I am tracking all numbers, meaning targets 1, 2, and 3. Okay? Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. I trade a live account on my order flow trades. I am trading a live account. The fact that I'm in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. The fact that I offer a suggest or may suggest a trade, especially around the open that I may or may not be in, also does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. Okay? And target 1 on the NASDAQ bot. They both went shorts. I'll come back to the charts. Break even should be on. And then I'll go over the bots for the benefit of the trial members as soon as we do charts. Both stops are at break even, so. All right, soybeans, hourly shorts getting a bounce, 10 out on the NASDAQ runners, first target only. Holding some support here. Soybeans is a short, 1381 and a half. And if we break down below 79, it's going to get massacred. Soybeans are short. Here's wheat. And daily longs holding the top of the daily cloud. Hourly shorts, 10 minutes are rolling over. There you have it. Corn also in a short. Here's wheat in shorts since 1871. And soybeans looking to break down as well. Natural gas getting a bounce, but overall shorts. Copper could roll over. Crude getting hit. Probably down to 82 bucks. ES rolling over. Looks like we could pull back to 25, which is VWAP. NASDAQ also rolling over. I do have a NASDAQ short at 80, this 85. It could pop back up to 90, but this area looks like it's shorts. That's where we're at, guys. For the benefit of my trials, I run 5 bots. 4 of the bots begin trading at 6 a.m. Eastern. So every day when you come into the room, there may be totals already. I will show trades as they occur once we're in the room. But just to give you an overview of where we're at. Natural gas bot is up $880. Natural gas is up $880. The 5th bot is the Russell. This is doesn't come out until 9:30. So there's no trades in the Russell. Crude bot is down $110 currently. ES bot, based on that first target, is up $112.50. And the NASDAQ, which is a little more active, is currently down $885. So it's been a slow morning. Overall, this washes with natural gas. We're basically flat overall on the day. Got a $110 loss in crude and $112 win in the ES. An $885 down right now in NASDAQ and an $880 up in natural gas. We're basically flat on the day overall. If anybody has any questions, please feel free to ask. So we have target 1 in the gold bot. Natural gas can't get a dang thing going. Nothing. Here's NASDAQ. That high volume node is rejected a bunch of times. There's a NASDAQ trade. I'll bring that over right now. NASDAQ. ES needs to push up through about 43 and it's going to pop again. Copper took off. Out on crude on the runner. Getting a bounce in wheat. What is the entry of ES? I don't have an entry on ES. Yeah, maybe 44 if you wanted to try it, but let me take a look. Hang on one second. Yeah, 48 is going to be a problem. I mean, if it gets through 48, it probably goes to 62. If we were in the room this morning, at even at right after midnight. I mean, I hate when they come into the zones to buy overnight, but we would have been long on this clearing at 2:15 this morning of 36.25. We should have been long. We could have been long at 28. That's about where I'd have been long. Came back and tested support a couple of times. And now our target is here, 36.65. I think this goes to 30. NASDAQ's going to go long, I think. 925 is a target. It's got to get above 08, which is a pivot. It's not a trade. I'm just giving you an observation. I don't have a trade. Go look at that. Nice job, Paul. Jeez, look at gold. Good Lord. How did I miss this? No. I need gold to close at 9 o'clock about where it is to give us hourly longs. New day low. Look at natural gas going. Come on, NASDAQ, get above this. Here we go. 25 is where it should go. Come on. I think we missed by a tick here. We need to snap. There it is. Target one filled. NASDAQ. Well, usually double, Stuart, right? If you're trading 10, if you're trading first target only, if you're trading 10 micro ES at $1.25 per, right? Then you probably would trade 20 NASDAQ at 50 cents per. It's half the value, a little more than, a little less than half the value, but so you would trade half the value or twice, because you don't want to have a loser in the ES and a winner in the NASDAQ, which would still put you down if you were trading 10 and 10. Big miss on Empire Manufacturing. All right, ES just went long on the bot. ES is pushing that trend line. There's target one filled ES bot. NASDAQ not quite to that 25 target. Yeah, 24 it hit. Close enough for hand grenades. Actually, target's 928 now. ES, I have a 949 target. May take this out at break even first, but come on, ES. Should get that second target, guys, at 45 quarter, 46.50 value area high. Okay, out. Natural gas may be giving us a long. Guys, I really have nothing. That NASDAQ long to 25 was it. I don't really have much at the moment. If anybody has questions, please feel free to holler. But trading wise, I've got nothing right now. Nothing I'm interested in. Crude on the close over VWAP, I would be interested in. Crude can go back 86.60. Yeah, I'd like to be that full candle close. Slow, and slower, guys. There goes crude. You're long crude. Yep, you're long crude, fellas. Nice job, RJ. You've got to push above 15 and we get 25, 26. Above that, we get 35. Above that, 58. I'm long crude, guys. I'm long crude. Maybe 44 for a target one. I am long crude. Some sellers. Block sales in here, small. We could come back and test VWAP at 87. Good morning, Ozzy. I don't want to see crude below 84. That's rough. Kill mine. I'm long, guys. I don't want it below 84. Maybe 81. This is why I hate pre-market. Back to VWAP. As long as VWAP holds, we're good. We should get a bounce. We're set up for longs. We've pulled everything lower. Come on, bid through these sellers. We get through these swings here. 15, it's good. 15, it's good. It's got to get through 15, guys. It's working through these sellers in here. Or trying to. There's not much buying in here. Yeah, they just bought some here. We got through the swing. We should be good now to 20, the point of control. We're pulling VWAP up, so careful with this. Get through 20, and then that next swing up at 26. I'd like to get first target at 33. Watching that delta on top of the candle, 148, 46, 45. Small buyers, 30 down to 134. There we go. So now, okay. There we go, guys. We got my first target. If you're trading multiples, take some risk off. That's first target. Okay. We got our target. So take some risk off. Stop goes to break even. Now we've got to get above maybe 39, 40. The big seller, good morning, Paul. Big seller is all the way up here at 86.74. There we go. We get through this little level here. Guys are getting order flow education. Pay attention. I can't do this when the market is pinging around like batshit. Final target is 86.81. And the last area of resistance is about 47 on the 10-minute cloud. So we've got to clear 47. Okay? 47 and we're good. We'll get 86.81. 86.80. Remember, target one is off. Stop is break even. It either, trade the runner as you see fit. If you want to take it all off, take it all off. But in no way, shape, or form does a trade that's up 25 ticks go against you. NASDAQ continuing to bid, ES continuing to bid. Charles Schwab beat. 47's the key, fellas. 47. Above 47, we'll get that final target, 86.80 area. It'll be a quick rip. I'm going to get coffee. I'll be 1 minute. I'm back, guys. All right, fellas. Uh, 34, 33, 34 was target one. I don't know what NQ you're talking about was the sit. No, no. I don't know what you're talking about, Paul. Sorry, I'm confused as to what you're asking me. Yeah, if your bot took a trade, my order flow trades are rarely the same as they are in the bot. It's a completely different methodology. Did your bot take the trade on NASDAQ? Okay. Well, you should at least run it in Sim. The NQ bot. I know you're trading micros, but run the NQ bot in Sim. Oh, okay. Crude looks like it's trying to push again. NASDAQ looks like it wants to push again. We get above 872 and we can go 11,040. I'd like to see a pullback. Sold 8604. Now you're waiting for a break above 43. Okay. I see 47, but same thing. Hey, Deepak, are you in the room? Deepak? Fidelity, it broke out above that 85 and got 40 target. Need a pullback, guys. I can't buy this. ES, next target up, 3,700. You guys can take the ES long on a breakout. It's far enough above. Look at this sucker go. Long copper, HG 4550, 345 half. Long copper. SPY calls from Friday are back even. Target number 13460. 22 ticks. 22 ticks. No bot trades to show, guys. We're straight up till we get some kind of reversals. Do 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 do. Sit here and twiddle thumbs. All right, we're getting a small pullback. This NASDAQ chart is frozen. NASDAQ next target up 11,075.80 area. God dang. Anybody long 74 on ES? Anybody long 74 on ES? It's longs, guys. Okay, it's longs. I'm just waiting on ideally a pullback, but God, I hate this. I really hate when we open up and keep blasting. There we go. Look at this thing go. Guys, all I can do is sit here and watch. ES is now at 82.50. If you're long from 74, your target is 95 to 700. Trade them as you see fit. You're up, almost 10 handles if you want to take some risk off. Straight up, fellas. Straight up. Here comes the next push. Next push. 3,700 area is target 1 on ES. But trade them as you see fit. You got 10 handles in it, guys, from 74, 11 handles. I hate trend days, fellas. Hate them. Crude got final target, 91. ES now needs to get above 86 half to keep going. Natural gas hanging out just above that breakdown. NASDAQ now with 3,000 net buyers, guys, is looking for 11,160 if you're long NASDAQ. You need to cool off a little bit. We got that 79 target. Guys, this could be another epic rip. I can't even adjust two charts, ES and NQ, on the screen. Once again, there it is. The Ninja freezing baloney. Can't adjust ES. If you didn't take any trades, just be patient. Let me see where SPY is, guys. Oh, yeah. SPY is breaking out. The SPY calls from Friday are in the money now. You're up about 20%. Trade them as you see fit. You're on your own. Trade them as you see fit. You have a swing long SPY. If anybody is interested, SPY calls October 28th, 366 calls. October 28th, 366 calls. Target is 74, 374. Copper is within a few ticks of target 1. Copper is almost to target 1. It's 2 ticks from target 1, but it's just hit it. Target 1 is hit on copper. Target 1 is hit on copper. ES at 95 from 74 entry. 95. If we blow over this 3,700, it's going to go another mile. I can't adjust this chart, guys. Everybody good? If you're taking trades, you're making money. We're not quite to what I have as first target, but we're close enough for hand grenades. You got 20 handles right now in ES. Trade them for your accounts, guys. Trade them for your accounts. If you're trading multiples, you may want to take some off in this area, go to break even and forget you own it. See if you can't get the move to 37, 20, 50, 70 areas. Nice job, Ryan. 20 handles, 21 handles. Nice job, brother. Yeah, I'm surprised to see gold up this much. I'm not looking at the dollar today, Greg, but target one hit on copper. ES basically got target. Crude was a winner. NASDAQ, if you took it above 85, you got better than 100 handles. Making money, guys. Bots are quiet because it's a trend day, so we have no reversals yet. $1,030 sellers in the last 3-minute block, 300 plus in this 3-minute block. Down to 2,300 net buyers. Stop on the NASDAQ is 97. This is what I have for a first target. Stop is 97. That's what I have as a target. Buyers back in, but you rat bag. Came to 96.50. Come on, drop down. Came to 96.50. Stop is 97. Out NASDAQ. We've got a NASDAQ bot trade. I'm not digging the long up here. I do not like the long up here. Natural gas got target one on the bot. Target one is hit and filled. Natural gas. Now I've got a Russell bot trade. Target one filled on the NASDAQ. Target two filled on the Russell bot. I'm sorry, natural gas bot. Target two filled. I'm going to move natural gas. It's at break even plus one tick. All that's left is third target. And here's Russell. I gave the stop, 97. Guys, you guys got to pay attention. 97 was the stop. Pay attention. Target one filled, Russell bot. That's because guys are doing something else. You're welcome, Tom. I'm going to move this Russell bot off the screen. It's break even +1. Out on the runners on RTY. Nice job. Up over $1,000. Nice job. This ES is consolidating just below 3,700. Now we may come down here. And I still can't fix this ES chart. I just reloaded historical data, nothing. Ninja, how I love you. Crude's a short. You can short crude at 86.50, 86.50, 86.48. $86.48, yes, just below VWAP if it comes down. Because I don't see a short. If you see a short, take a short. Stuart, take a short. If you see something, take it. I would short ES at 82, 82 ES. I don't have it. It's 82 is the short. We haven't gotten there yet. I don't have a short. Nolan? $82 would be the short. Target would be 75. 76, target 1. NASDAQ is short. Target number 1 is 37. Come on, NASDAQ, get your ass down here. Trying to get to, I'm short NASDAQ, fellas, trying to get to 37. Maybe 38. I don't know that it gets there or not. I'm short NASDAQ. We're at 61, 62. Come on, drop down. Still doesn't want to die. Came down to 51. All right, I'm out of NASDAQ. I'm out of NASDAQ, guys. I'm out. I'm flat. Came down again to, lower low here to 51 and didn't break. We're just getting, they're selling them. Come on, NASDAQ. What are you going to do? Good Lord. Well, the ES short worked below 82. NASDAQ is being a pain in the neck here. $500 sellers here, guys. 500 sellers. Come on down to 30. There's a bot trade on crude. Come on down to 39. If you guys shorted 48 on crude, target number 1 is 25. 25. This freaking NASDAQ, man, just will not die. I mean, they sold the living pee out of them, and it won't die. Now they got 300 buyers trying to come in. Sellers are trying to press it lower, guys. Motherfucker. Got another bot trade on the Russell. Come on, NASDAQ. I don't care up or down, just do something. Just does not want to break this 60 area. It keeps coming down to 60, 61, and then holding. This is the area that if it breaks, we're coming down to 37, 38, 39. Ugh, come on, NASDAQ. Guys, I think we're coming down. 37 is where I think we're coming. It just doesn't want to break this one area. I have a 39, but it won't come down. NASDAQ has to come below 61 and then 52, and it's not going to. It just, you see how we're holding this area in here, guys? This is what's killing us in here. This support zone. Back to 3,000 buyers. Thousand buyers in this candle. Come on, push. We're stuck. 184 is where this thing can go. Natural gas got target one on the bot. There we go, guys. There we go. I'm up $1,000, 1,100 on this trade. I'm long. Let it go. Resistance here. Take some risk off. Target one hit on that. Take some risk off. 4,600 buys. We don't want shorts, guys. ES is stuck. ES is stuck. Anybody take that trade in the 90s? You got 40 handles on it. You're welcome. We're going higher, guys. I'm telling you, we're going higher. We're headed up to 150. We need help with the ES. SPX 3740 calls. This is major resistance on the ES. ES pushes up through 3703.4, call it. You can trade it to 3725 from 04, 3704. This is a major area for ES. NASDAQ, I think we go 190, 190. SPX 3735 calls are $1.85. If you guys want to buy SPX calls, we could get a pullback. I am not looking for shorts, guys. We're not backing off, guys. It's 3,700. This is coiling on the ES, what looks like for a big move up. If ES breaks, NASDAQ's going too. $37.01 ES hit. All right, guys. Yeah, 3, 4 area. And then your target is 20. Small pullback. You got a pullback, never mind, it's too fast, to 94. You should be out at break even. There's no stop out. It's out at even. Yeah. Nice job, Stuart. Up 600. Nice job. Got a big seller here, a 216 seller. Right at point of control. Man, $600 a day definitely keeps the job away. No question. ES could pull back to 70. Could. I don't know that it does. I can just tell you, all I can tell you is what the next level down is that should be support. Sold them again at the point of control, 226, 230. Now we're selling them hard. That 231 seller. In order for us to keep going now, we need the hourly close above 11,090. So at 11 o'clock, we have to be above 11,090. If NASDAQ breaks down below 11,050, I will be short. 11,050. I don't know that that happens while we're in the room or not, but that's my short area. $60 if you're long. And stop 82, 69. Man, we can do better than that. 69.91, 69.91, 69.91. What a piss poor indices trade. Guys, give me 1 minute. I'll be right back. There's target one on the ES spot. 3 trades today, 3 for 3. Have not gotten a second target yet, though. Come on, rat bag. Give me that second target. It hit it to the tick and didn't fill it. NASDAQ cannot, it just has not taken any trades. Last NASDAQ trade on the bot. Jeez. Last NASDAQ trade on the bot, guys, was at 9:49. Out on the runner. $91. I gave the stop. $91. Man, you guys today, you're killing me. Fellas, you're killing me. I have no NQ entry. This was earlier. This was from earlier. That's not an entry. Yeah, 11,010. 11,010. I could live with that. We got a ton of buyers, guys. NASDAQ came down to 71, a break of 50, and it's going to, yeah, 11,010. We're 10 handles away. That's what I have, buddy. Yeah, I mean, if we get to 11,010, let me see where it is. Well, there's your entry. 10. It's got to cross over that 10. That's our resistance, 10. But it's slow, so just be patient with it. If you guys get anxious, or if it doesn't zip right up 30 handles, we're just chopping around. $11,110 right here. 110. That pink line. Opening range high is 16. If we come back through that 16, that's opening range high. So 10 is my entry, 16 is the opening range high. We get above 10. 3,600 buyers, guys. I'm not inclined to want to be short. I will short it below 52. I'll take a 50. ES is trying to push back up to 3,700. The entry that I have for the ES is about 3,704. I want it cleanly through, and the opening range high on the ES is 96. That's your opening range high. NASDAQ again consolidating below this break. Yep, to the tick at 91. Out on natural gas. Went to 36 from the entry, nothing. Pathetic. Crude's not moving. Crude is traded, and here it goes. Natural gas again. It came exactly to the stop, to the tick. Grains are quiet as well. Watch this NASDAQ, guys. Back to 3,500 buyers. Nope, failed again. Wheat. Spies are trying to break out. If we get a move above 68, 368.16, got a bot trade on the ES now, long. Come on, NASDAQ. Natural gas now shorted on the bot. Got a natural gas spot short, an ES spot long, and NASDAQ doing nothing. This ES is consolidating. Don't flip into a short. The ES is consolidating right below this 3,700. $121. Okay. NASDAQ's up 348. Seriously, are you kidding me? How many pushes are you going to make here? How many pushes? How many stinking pushes? Every time we get close, I get ready to buy market. Copper reversed and came down. I wasn't watching it. Crude is trying to. Long wheat, if you trade it, 874. It too is slow. Something about a Russian oil company on Squawk. It keeps going. Morning, James. How you feeling, man? I still believe NASDAQ is long at 110. I still believe that. I am willing to take the risk if we get through 110. I will be long. Yep. I don't know that it's going to get there. Well, in this lifetime, the way it's trading. We're above where I need to be on the hourly, guys, for a close. I can tell you that. If we can close the 11 o'clock candle above 100, there's target one on natural gas. I'm going to move this off the screen for those of you that are on trial and or watching, may watch this video later. It's break even plus one tick. So I'm going to move that off the screen. We're just sitting here watching this ES. grind itself into oblivion in about a 4-handle range. Oh, glad to hear it. Yeah, I mean, so let me just show you something. Let me show you guys something. This is a almost 500 sellers in this 3-minute block. All right, I'm short, guys. I got filled at 51. I'm short. Come on. Feel free to die. There you go, guys. 10 handles. And nothing. Come on, break down all the way. I'd like to see this come all the way down to 11,000. $1,140 sellers in this block, guys. We're down to below 1,500 net buyers now in the day. Come on, break down. Give me more than 10 handles. Let's go. There we go. We're below 1,400 net buyers. Going below 1,300 in a moment. Back above 1,400 buyers. This could bounce back up to 61. First target is 28, 29. Top of the hour coming. We're now below 1,300 buyers. 1,270, 1,240, 1250, 1240. Come on, go below 12. Just sell them all back. So this is what I have as target 1. Right there, 28. That's your target 1. Come on, you dog. Got it. Target 1 hit and filled. So stop goes to even. Stop goes to even. We're going to go below 1,000 net buyers momentarily. All right, we were at what, 4,000 net buyers? They've sold, we're below 1,000, just slightly back above. They've sold 3,000 contracts off. Financials are pulling back. I'm watching the financials here, guys. We're back up to 1,100 net buyers. So stop is break even and let it go. Or, if you guys want your profits, take them. I have a target at 975, 10,975. Bots will be off in a minute. Nothing's going to take another trade. Jesus, we're slow. We're not going anywhere, guys. This could pop back to 60. I don't think it goes any higher than 60. So here's the thing, Nolan. Right? Once first target is hit, stop goes to break even. How you trade it as an individual, right? This is not a everybody must do something business. If you want to take your risk off here and take your profits, take them. If you want to try to hold to 975, then hold. If you want to hold till NASDAQ goes to 0, hold it. Once my first target is hit, the runners become completely the trader's discretion, right? But in no way, shape, or form does the trade go against you. That's why we go to break even on target 1. So, again, it's your prerogative. It's your prerogative how you trade the runners. It's always break even at first target. So I got my first target. Or at least it's always break even for me. Now, some traders would say, look, we're selling them pretty aggressively. The real stop on this, would be 95. If you want the real stop, 95. Not for me. But so at this point, I'm flat. Didn't get the full breakdown. Okay. All right, fellas, bots are done for the day. I am done for the morning. If you guys are with me at 11:45 for order flow class, I will see you in 45 minutes. If you're with me at 1 o'clock, I will see you in a couple of hours. Here are your bot totals. ES on that last trade closed down $1,000. Shame. Crude down $70. NASDAQ down 670 on very few trades. Russell up 235 and natural gas up 1590. So 15, call it 1,800 bucks in winners. 16 bots overall were up about 150 bucks, give or take, cumulative, nothing. That's why I'm tracking them individually, right? Does anybody have any questions before we wrap it up for the day?